Urhobo show. Mama rola la raboga.
Mudia.
You like this one, Abi?
Yes, Who shall be like this one? What tell you so?
How far na my love?
Who shall be your love? You no go stand up and they tell you see the cigar.
Oh God, they know you show. Over gidigidi. Over no be water.
Of all God, you know. So wait first. I know they even they understand you. What you see they do for here?
You don't be my papa house.
When you be your papa house, so I never pay for your head.
The introduction you do. Introduction that you do.
If they do introduction, when I never do the introduction, nobody they talk say, my pastor say, come do my introduction, come do my introduction. The introduction, you know now what you could want say where everything there.
You not go pay the remaining money.
I go pay the remaining money before you go come out.
You pay diary now.
Which kind of talk be that one? I saw that they do am.
Okay, see. You go calm down, eh? Now we say that we pay this, my sister money finish. Why they hurry?
Okay, you go quiet for that place. Don't they shoot your mouth, they put for this issue. We shall be okay, you go calm down. That's so that they do am. You don't get the way that they do things.
How they do this?
When you do get introduction finish, go sit down for your papa ass. No, you go come call the man ass.
Wait, if you don't pay girl, you don't do woman introduction finish, you come out for your mama. So wait, what did they try to tell me? Say you dey pursue they come out for your papa house. I've been away.
Oga, if you take and say I dey pursue, and maybe say I dey pursue, I be twa all your room where. So now you want to give your papa.
Okay, don't do my love. What do you want?
Oga, no, they tell me my love. Enter house, make you carry your things more they go.
Just like that. Na marriage.
Oga, come more they.
Wait, leave her, wait.
Oga, you go come out your mouth o.
What did they do this one?
You go come out your mouth o.
I feel afford your money.
Oga, I say
you go feel afford money.
Wait, ma tell you something. Then I mean what rearrange introduction in so. The money when they pay for how much they collect at the youth money so. Shey na 5,000 everybody they pay. Everybody know say na 5,000. How much you collect for me? Now you whole ground say even I hear say rain go must fall that day. How much I pay? No be 20,000.
The 20,000 this my sister like this she not pass 20K.
I don't understand.
You dey press this jolly buy one for men.
You dey say your sister wash your name for when na?
See, now my second father you shout for, so I know they like this kind of.
Oh God, you never even do that on
all these kind young boys we not supposed to say they do ilo. I talk am they don't get respect.
I don't do
I won't go.
You don't do no they shout.
You dey see no sense when they talk come up for a match call. Una dey see no sense when this one they talk come up for a match call. You do finish now, you dey carry your sister put for leg. Whether na two they even dey knack now, I no even know. You say na your sister you dey carry am put for leg.
No, I for carry you for leg.
You go come up for here now.
Urhobo show.
Wait, I'm back now.
You back.